workbook, textbook, and so many other integrated things like dictionary, whatever it is available, we are sharing to the tab and they can do it. So actually this is other than notebooks, it's a book free bagless school we can say.
Myself Abdul Gafoor, Secretary, MES International School, Pattambi. Innovation or progress cannot happen without change. The best way to drive change is to embrace it, not fear it. The school has started in 1978, and at this time there was no schools nearby, and everybody needs primary education and especially English education. And for this English education, the people around in Pattambi has to travel more than 40-45 kilometers to study their students. And a group of people, especially doctors, businessmen, come together and under the management of MES Kerala started a small school in Pattambi. At that time itself, the people behind had a long vision. Quality education has to be improved.
My name is Asha Bayju. I am the senior principal of the school this year. Actually, this is really a tech-savvy campus, we can say. Whatever innovations are coming in the field of education, we will implement it first. And that was the key message of our chairman, our previous chairman, KSB Tangal sir. He was really, whatever it comes, he want to immediately implement it. When I speak to him, let us see how the other school, let's start and we will see to it. No, we have to do that first. Ours is the first school in Kerala with fully digitalized classrooms, which was inaugurated by Sri Umman Chandi, then the Chief Minister of Kerala in 2004. That time we were using the 27 inches TV screen for that. Later it was changed to the whiteboard with projector. We also changed immediately for all the classrooms. And now the smart panel board that we have around hundreds, because in all the classrooms from Montessori till +2, we are having the smart panel board. So this is in the field of technology, and also in the field of co-curricular activities like football, or in the cultural side, in the sports side, we are excelling in the district level, in the state level, especially as our mission says, like in the rapidly changing world, we want to make our students excel in the field of technology, which is very much focused. So we have introduced tab system in our school. I don't think that very few schools maybe in Kerala who has introduced this tab system.
I'm Noshin Shafiq of class 12, and I am the school captain / Prime Minister. This is 2024, and we switched from textbooks to a tablet. A single piece of tablet contains the entire knowledge we want to have, and from that we can learn, we can search, we can enjoy the freedom of education in a small tablet.
I am Srilekha, principal of MES International School at Pattambi. Actually, we have a very long association with the Extramarks, which started way back, and we use the educational content that was provided by the Extramarks in our smart boards, which was there in all classes. It was, I think, of high quality. The videos and the content that was provided by the Extramarks was of high quality, interesting for both teachers and children, which didn't break, continued, even though we upgraded the smart boards to interactive smart boards too. We still had the Extramarks content because it was equally interesting and highly informative to children. But now what happened is the content that was available in the class now went to children and being used by children whenever they want at their own pace through the educational tabs. World is changing and everyone has to not just go with the change, run with the change. I think that's the level. Unless you run with the change, you'll be left far off behind.